Look at me, yeah, yeah. Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah. Look at me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Man, I know I'm looking scruffy out here. I need to go get my dreads twisted and stuff. This is the last video y'all gonna see me like this, at least for a while, because I'm about to get this taken care of. But yeah, anywho, today's gonna be a continuation of yesterday's video. If you guys remember yesterday, we were making the intake kit for this. So now I finally have the Airaid 3.5-inch adapter. That way I can get my mass airflow sensor and everything in there. So now we can finish this up, and I have a scheduled tune for Thursday. And then yeah, we're gonna go from there. But today is a continuation of that. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all kind of how to piece together this Airaid kit, because you can it is a build it yourself or do it yourself kit, but you have the option to either use couplers, but there's also another technique that I'm about to be showing y'all if you want it to look a little bit cleaner, and I'll show y'all that in a little bit when we get there. Woo! Woo! I know y'all love this thing just as much as I do. Clean. Loving it. But yeah, let's stop playing. I don't know why to be like, all right, here's a co-start video. Let me let this thing idle. None of that today. We just need to get over there to Janky's. All right, so we're here at Janky's again. You can see his FD right there. Yeah, we're about to get into making this stupid piping. So this is the Airaid kit right here, or the Airaid mass airflow adapter. Damn it. So the cool part about this kit, the thing that I like, is if you look at this piping, even for their mass airflow adapter, it's all the same, you know, all the same material. So even though it doesn't come with the kit, you know, it's still the same material, so it should still bind and everything the same. Matter of fact, I should try to bind one before I cut all this up and see, because supposedly glue holds this. Like, it does some weird stuff, fuses together and gets stuck. So maybe we'll try a little piece and see if that actually works real quick. Glue you're supposed to use is the Loctite, but I had Gorilla Glue because I couldn't find the Loctite anywhere. So I mean, it's the same gel style glue. So usually you're supposed to make sure both of these are flat, but since I'm just testing this, I'm about to add some glue on this one, and then I'm gonna stick these together and see how strong or how well they hold real quick. So just glued this little piece on here, and it looked like it's pretty solid. I'm just waiting for it to dry a little bit more, but I mean, it's one piece. Look at that, It
worked?
I mean, it's on there.
Did you do the drop test?
Bruh! Alright, so we're still chomping away at this. It's not looking like the other setup is gonna work, so we're just like redoing it. This portion is gonna fit, and now we just need to get from A to B right here. This fool's over here prepping this plastic like he's really about to weld some aluminum or something. Yeah. I guess it's good practice.
I like nice.
Until you gotta chop it again.
It'll be a damn nice cut. All right. Fuck, it's too short.
It's probably perfect.
Yeah. We need to put something. Put a clamp on this for now.
Got you. Clean ass world, so.
Look at my eyes burn.
Looks good.
Well, you can always just ask them. Like, hey, I know this passes fucking number-wise, but...
Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Heat gun?
Mm-hmm.
Fat ass gonna break it. Whole thing gonna crumple in like a can. If this works, you know this shit's pretty tight.
If it works, I'll be pretty f***ing surprised. I would never recommend it or do it ever again for somebody else.
Yeah, it's because you got a fab shop.
But I will be surprised. Oh man, my eyes are hella burning.
So if you see this, you need an intake, you can cut janky out the equation. Some plastic and some super glue.
Please do. Do not call me.
And this is the finished product of it. But it seems pretty sturdy. Everything seems good at the moment. So maps way over here. That way if it is leaking for some odd reason, it'll still be picked up right through there. But came out cool. Filter down in there. Plenty room. And you can see we don't really, it's not really touching the radiator or smashed against it how it was before. I'm gonna start this thing up. Oh, fucking here you go, adjusting my seats, little man. Intake right there. This was sitting hella close to the power steering pulley, but now we got plenty of clearance in there. Perfect. Where you going? Where you going?
Can't drive the car right now.
Yeah, the car don't run.
Oh.
Here, go put this over there.
Where?
Like on the car. You can mount it up. Yeah, you finish it up. No, you gotta put it on that, and then
That's exactly how that works.
Where?
you gotta put it on there, on that black. Yeah.
Take off the little red one and put on the blue one.
Oh, look at them reflexes. I'm a ninja. You see me with the Raiden hat on.
Like a mongoose.
I need a.
Oh, there you go.
Perfect.
Now drop that one. Take the clamp off.
You're doing good.
Am I receiving training? Did I get a job?
Yep. Well, make you automotive tech.
Hell no. Get paid how much?
Gonna get a job at Jiffy Lube in no
15 an
time.
hour?
I have dirty ass nails and everything. Gotta get it in the hole.
I'm trying.
Gotta be even. Is it in there?
Perfect.
So just getting back to the house, intake all done. Drove here just fine. So the next thing is throw this on the dyno and make sure the tune hasn't been thrown off too much. So before I beat on this thing again, I just want to get it confirmed on the dyno that everything is cool, and then we back to mobbing this thing like we've been doing. So for y'all, it's gonna seem like one day, but realistically it's gonna be 2 days, because today is Tuesday, but by the time y'all get this video, it's gonna be Wednesday, and then the next day I'm gonna be getting this thing tuned, aka Thursday. So it's only gonna feel like one day for y'all, or 2 days still, but it's gonna be delayed. If you're looking at getting this or something like this and making your own intake, this is the do-it-yourself Airaid kit. They basically send you a whole bunch of piping and you just chop it up and cut in between where you want it to cut at. So you can use couplers. We use glue on mine, and you can see it's actually holding up pretty good. So I think Janky's gonna order a plastic welder, and then we may plastic weld it together. But I know people that have done this and they haven't had an issue with it. but just for a safety measure, we are probably going to eventually plastic weld this, but I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. It's pretty solid. So yeah, it does work. It looks clean too. It looks OEM. It's all stock, officer. It's nothing modified on here. So the only thing I really want to hide is the fuel pressure regulator. Could get dinged for that, you know how California is, but maybe run this line behind the plastic pieces, put the filter, or put the fuel pressure regulator behind all this, and then just run the line down, and then I'll have a stealthy looking, it'll look stock, other than being humongous, but it'll look stock. But anywho, we're calling it a day. That's it. Until next time, see y'all tomorrow with another one, you know, daily vlogs.